We're headed to Black River Waterfalls. We had to park at the auto parts, and it's supposedly right across the street here. Ain't going to walk without poop somewhere. Oh, there it is. Wow. Did you know that Watertown grew into a city because of the Black River? This waterfall is in the center of Watertown. As the Black River flows through town, it drops significantly in elevation, about 40 feet. In the early 1800s, these waterfalls provided abundant water power for the mills and for the industry in Watertown. This is a picture of Jefferson Union Mills from 1865. These were some of the earliest industrial sites on Mill Street. It looks like caves or tunnels or natural caverns here, but they're not. They're remnants of historic industrial waterworks, and they were used to harness the Black River's energy. These channels were essential in powering local factories and mills when the area was a major industrial center. Historic powerhouses and dam structures would divert water through tunnels or pipes to turn machinery, and the outlets often discharged at a lower level, which looks like water is coming from inside a building. When we crossed the bridge to see the other side of the Black River, we saw these rafters on a fun trip with Whitewater Challengers. Whitewater Challengers have been around for 50 years. They offer rafting in the Pocono Mountains in Pennsylvania, the Hudson River in the Adirondacks, and on the Black River in Watertown, New York. Their website is whitewaterchallenges.com. Looks like they're practicing how to row and listen to the person in charge at the back of the boat. Maybe if we get out there, we can see the boats that we saw. There they are right there. There they are. Hurry up, let's get to the end. Oh boy, here comes the fun part when they're gonna go down the rapids. Can they do it? Can they make it without turning over? Let's find out. There's 6 boats to check out. All 6 of them made it. Even the seagulls are happy. It's time to get dunked in the water. Let's see who stays in the boat and who falls out. Somebody fell over. You got him. Ah, they didn't even get wet. No fair. I think this leader was having way too much fun. He dunked them 10 times. These guys are getting ready. Watch, hold on. Don't fall out. This team has the most amount of people in the raft, and they can't even get up the rapids. But then, watch what happens here. Whoa! 2 of them fall out. It's okay. They're rescued and back in the boat, safe and sound. We had so much fun just watching these 6 rafting teams conquer their challenges. Not deep, but it was so deadly. Thanks for watching our fun adventure today. Have you ever been on a whitewater rafting trip? Let me know in the comments below.